Hello students, how are you all? All are fine? See, again I came back with my new video on the new date, that is 7th June 2020, and the day is Sunday. So in the last video I told you to do some little effort so that you can help your parent. What are that? That whenever you are playing anything with your toys, so what you should do after playing, you should keep everything in their proper place. From where you are taking, there you have to keep it. And when you are studying, you are taking your books, copies, pencil, eraser, colors. So whatever you are taking, after finishing everything, you have to keep them in proper place. And you should teach your small brothers and sisters also, right? So in that way, you can help your parents. Yes or no? Are you doing that? Yes, I trust you. I know everyone is doing that, right? So, in today's video, we will continue the chapter part 4, Swachh Bharat. Okay? And today's Uddeshya is, now you know Uddeshya means objective. So, today's Uddeshya is, again, that is Bhasha Gyan, means language skill. Then नए शब्द तथा उनके अर्थ जानना, means you will understand new words and their meaning. Then what is there? There is the main thing, how we can keep ourselves neat and clean. That means स्वच्छ रहना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? अदरवाइज यू नो दैट अगर हम लोग स्वच्छ नहीं रहेंगे, साफ नहीं रहेंगे, देन डिजीजेस विल कम. ओके, डिजीजेस विल अराइज. सो वी हैव टू स्टे वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव इन टुडेज वीडियो. So in the last video, what is the girl's name you got? Neha. And Neha is proper name, that is Vyaktivachak Sangya, right? Yes. And what she did? She ate one banana. She threw the outer covering of that banana on the road, and a bird saw that, and the bird was very irritating, and the bird shouted, right? So now we will continue. So you have to read after me. As you are reading, in every video you are reading after me, right? Like that. अपनी चोंच खोल चिड़िया ने, उस छिलके को तुरंत उठाया, छिलका कूड़ेदान में डाला, प्यार से नेहा को समझाया. So again we got some new words, right? So let us write the new words with their meaning. Then I will explain the lines. Okay? So in the first line, what you are getting? अपनी चोंच खोल चिड़िया ने. चोंच. चोंच means, anyone can say? Yes, चोंच means beak. You have seen that every bird has beak, right? Like this. That is called चोंच. Okay? Beak. Then उस छिलके को तुरंत उठाया. छिलका means you know that outer covering, right? छिलका कूड़ेदान में डाला. So the next word is कूड़ेदान. कूड़ेदान means dustbin. Dustbin. Okay? प्यार से नेहा को समझाया. प्यार. प्यार means love. With love. Okay? So now I will explain it. So चिड़िया ने क्या देखा था कि नेहा ने केले के छिलके को रास्ते में फेंक दिया था. Then what she did? अपनी चोंच खोल चिड़िया ने. Bird has beak. So what the bird did? She take that छिलका of that banana, outer covering of banana, and what she did? उस छिलके को तुरंत उठाया. when she saw that Neha has thrown that, she just fly in that place, and she took the that chilka, and what she did, chilka kude daan mein dala. So kude daan means dustbin. She took that covering of that banana and she threw it in the dustbin. प्यार से नेहा को समझाया. Then she explained her with love that what wrong she has done, what Neha has done, that is wrong. So she want to set that, she want to explain that, and she explained it with love. प्यार से समझाया. Okay. Now come to page number 31. In page number 31, again we will learn next 4 lines. So you have to read after me. बोली चिड़िया ठीक नहीं है, सड़क पर यूं कूड़ा फैलाना. प्यारी नेहा हमको अपना प्यारा भारत स्वच्छ बनाना. So again we will write the new words and their meaning. So in this line, what you got? बोली चिड़िया ठीक नहीं है. ठीक नहीं है means it's not right, it's not correct. सड़क पर यूं कूड़ा फैलाना. सड़क means road. Okay. Then कूड़ा. कूड़ा means dirt or unwanted things. Okay. Then फैलाना. फैलाना means spread. So we should not spread or we should not throw dirt on road. So what is there next? प्यारी नेहा हमको अपना. प्यारी means dear. Dear नेहा हमको अपना प्यारा भारत स्वच्छ बनाना. So Bharat is the country's name and it's a proper noun, व्यक्तिवाचक. Bharat means India. Okay. And next word is swachh. Swachh means clean. Okay. Now in this 4 line we will see what that bird has explained to Neha. बोली चिड़िया ठीक नहीं है. What did the bird said? That this is not correct. This is not the right way. सड़क पर यूं कूड़ा फैलाना. You are throwing things, dirty things on the road. It's not correct. It's not. We should not do that. प्यारी नेहा हमको अपना. Why should we not do that? Because we should keep ourselves and our India प्यारा भारत स्वच्छ बनाना. We have to clean ourselves, our surrounding, our India neat and clean. Understood? So do you know that our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has started one campaign, that Clean India movement, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? In that what he appealed, what he is asking, he is asking us to keep ourselves, our surroundings, every place, wherever we are going, we should not throw any dirt in any place. We know that where we have to throw, right? So by these little things, we can clean ourselves and our surroundings also. And this is very important. You know that, right? So in this video, up to here only, and I will request everyone to study at home all the lines what we have completed, all the this 3 stanzas we have completed, that means 12 lines. So you have to read after me, you have to see how I explained it. So everything you will get in the PRB. So what we have learned today, so what is the learning outcome of this video? Yes, can you say that? Learning outcome means सीखने का प्रतिफल. That means what we have learned. सीखने का प्रतिफल इज भाषा ज्ञान में वृद्धि हुई, मीन्स your language skill increased, means in every video you are getting new words with their meaning, right? Then obviously you got new words with their meaning, नए शब्द, अर्थ सहित जाना. Then now you know that we have to be neat and clean, right? So otherwise it will affect our health, not our health. If we are not cleaning our surrounding also, it will affect other people also. So स्वच्छ रहना बहुत जरूरी है, that you learn. So this is our learning outcome of this video. So in the last I want to say you that stay home, stay safe. You know that in that way you can be safe. When you are at home, you are safe, right? Okay, then we will meet again in our next video. Okay? So till then, bye. Take care.